Welcome to this week's episode of On Air with St. Clair, where we are checking out one of my favorite hidden gems on campus. It is located right off of the main entrance. So let's go check it out. Today we are here with Chef Sergio. Can you tell us a little bit about what's happening here at Eatery 101?
Hi, Brooke. So at Eatery 101 right now, we have the graduating semester of FSA 475. That's our last semester where they get to do an internship in our live restaurant. So given all the restrictions, of course, we have a la carte takeout at the moment. So they are doing lunch service, preparing takeout items for both students and faculty here at the college.
That sounds so delicious. So what exactly do I have to do to use this service?
So typically we're open from Wednesday to Fridays for lunch service from 11:30 to 1 o'clock. You can call in to our Eatery phone number, or you can show up in person and place your order. Typically our orders take between 5 to 10 minutes depending on the item, so it's pretty speedy as well.
So it smells so good in here. We're in the kitchen. Chef Sergio, can you tell us a little bit about what's going on in the kitchen here today?
So this is our test kitchen. We spend the whole week planning the menu, tweaking, tasting, adjusting quantities, and making sure that everything is on point so that then the menu can be put into meal kits. Each meal kit doesn't take more than 15 to 20 minutes to prepare.
So today I was sent home with the amazing chicken vegetable stir fry meal kit. The culinary students did such a good job on this, and it was so easy for me to make. I do live here in the dorms at St. Clair College, so sometimes it is difficult for me to be motivated to make good and healthy meals, but they have made it so easy. If you do not have an induction burner in your room like me and my roommate do, you can use the community kitchen in the residence building as well. I am not a good cook, and following these step-by-step directions was so easy. The culinary students made it so easy to follow with not only paper instructions, but I was also able to follow a video tutorial online as well, making it so simple, and for someone who can't cook, I think I did a pretty good job at putting it all together. This here is the finished product, and I think it looks absolutely delicious. I was given enough for 2 portions, and every bag does come with enough for 2 portions, making it an amazing option for me, someone who lives alone, or if you are a couple or even a family. This is a really great healthy meal choice on a budget, or just in general if you want some really good quality food. Or me, who just kind of... No.